The Kaleidos Learning Platform has optional assessment modules. Using these modules to set, monitor and manage student targets and goals means that all this information about the student's progress is automatically then available to parents through the learning platform. I'm logged on to the learning platform as a parent. From my desktop, if I go to view the information about my child, I can see a range of information, key data that is held about their progress and about their time in school. I can have a look and see what goals, what personal goals that Mary has set herself. If I go to the Targets tab, I can see what specific targets Mary is working on, both current and past targets if I want to. I can see how she's doing against those targets. And if I select one, I can actually go and find out more detail about that particular objective. I can have a look at any evidence Mary has uploaded and added as a demonstration of her achievements against that particular concept. I can review comments that have been made by the teacher, perhaps by Mary. If I click on Edit, I can actually make my own comments and reflections about how I think Mary is doing. So I can simply click on Add, enter my text, and click Save. So I can have true dialogue between the subject teacher, Mary herself, and myself. So looking at the targets gives me an idea of what Mary's currently working on and has done in the past. But in order for me to put it into context, I might need some more information. So if I go to the Progress tab, this will show me where Mary currently is in her various subjects, but also where she needs to be if she's going to achieve her next milestone level. And the context gives me a comparison saying whether that's ahead of schedule, whether she's pretty much on track, or whether she's actually probably behind where she should be. I can then go and drill down and find out more information, have a look at past attainment and see if that trend has been in existence for a while or whether it's recent. Going and have a looking at the graphical representation means that I can see it over a period of time. So I know at the end of key stage in 2010, it will show me where Mary is expected to be. This shows me where she currently is. So I really can see that there's potentially an issue here. It shows me the various levels here, but if I'm not sure what they mean, there is information that I can access as a parent that will give me guidance on the meaning of these assessment scales being used by the school. So all of this information really helps me understand what the true situation is with regards to Mary's progress. So using the learning platform and the individual learning plan module within it to set and track targets means that I can be more engaged. I can see real-time information about my child's progress. So I can play my part in supporting them to reach their potential. I can work with the school. It means that school and people at home are all working from real-time information and from the same single point of truth.